What is actually issue happening here?
So they have not given any notice before breaking this. They are from past 2 months. We were just delaying. We all sorted out. They also said that take this behind. We took everything behind. They told us to take this behind or give a black. We did everything. We did everything whatever the panchayat said. They did not give us a heads up that they are coming to break it. So why suddenly, without any letter, without any notice, they have come? Before that also, they had told we also sorted out with them. But now again, like this, without we told them also, it's a family matter. The brothers are only complaining about it. There's nobody else who have problem with this. This is not yesterday's or today's. From past 6 years, we have running this business.
But
and that time nobody had a problem. Now why only us? There are other establishment also on the way.
yeah, but
And it is not also in somebody else's property, it is our property also.
it's illegal property.
Our property only.
It's illegal property.
Yeah, it's a legal property.
So
Then
you
why-
demand also other shops to be demolished.
Yeah, why the other shops are not getting demolished? Why only us today without even getting a letter?
So you did not get any notice till
No,
now?
nothing. Nothing. It was all sorted out. We even did everything. They said, okay, you all took everything behind. It's fine.
So without notice they are
Yeah.
breaking the thing.
Without notice. Can you see any panchayat people here? Nobody is there. They are not giving any notice. They are giving any notice. Nothing. No letter.
Without notice, without letter.
Yeah. Why they have given this come? Yeah. Huh? My name is Ravina Rodriguez. Yeah. Yeah. It's our property.
It's a legal property. For this, they have not given you notice.
No, demolition notice was served to everyone, not only to us, everyone it was served. But they are, so if they are coming to break, they have to give us a notice that they are coming to break within 24 hours, be ready, whatever something. They have nothing to do with us, nothing. They say it's confidential.
Source of income.
So why do you think this is happening?
This is especially targeting us only. It's just targeting our small shop, nothing else. They are not.
But did you spoke to Mamladar or ward members over here?
They are not giving us time. How? They are just started breaking and they are not giving us any time. 20 minutes. Can you get an order in 20? Stay order in 20 minutes. At 20 minutes it will take for me to reach the pension to the advocate only.
Within 20 minutes they are breaking.
Yeah, they just said 20 minutes they are giving you. Can you get a stay order in 20 minutes?
हय तेजी न्हू खूब कंप्लेन येयलेली आसलेली एक तर ट्रॅफिकाकूय प्रॉब्लम जातालो तेंचे रातचो सोरमा बिमा ते सगळें चालू आसलेलें आनी इट वॉज अ कंप्लेन आनी वीच वी हॅड टू एक्ट पूण तेंकां आमी हियरींग घेवन सगळ्यांक आपयलें तेंचे भाव बीन आहा आमी हियरींग घेतलें आनी तेंकां सांगलें बाबा तुमचें कितें पळय भायर येयलेलें ना तें सगळें तुमी भितर घेया विच इज इलिगल आनी तुमचें मदें तुमी काबार करा म्हणून सो तेंकां आमी टायम खूब दिलो वी गेव टायम फॉर देम बट द टायम इज अप सो नथींग वॉज हॅपनिंग फ्रॉम देअर सायड
कोणाची शॉप आशिल्ली ती
तो सायमन म्हणून भाव
गोंयकार
इन्क्रोचमेंट असले.
या इट वॉज ऑन द फुटपाथ आमी पळय तेंच्या शॉपांनी पासून भितर येतले जाल्यार सगळे बायक भायर आसताले आमी तेंकां सांगले पासून पळय अशें अशें आहा तुमी कितें आसा तें सामकें करून घेया म्हणून
मॅडम आनीक हे लायनीक आनीक आसा तशेंच भायर तेचेर एक्शन घेतले तुमी?
येस वी हॅव बीन टेकिंग एक्शन.
ओके कितले तुमी आयडेंटिफाय केला आनी भायर आसा अशेंच भायर रोडाचेर एन्क्रोचमेंट केला?
रोडाचेर एन्क्रोचमेंट केला पळय तितल्यांकूय आमी नोटीस धाडलेली आहा वॉट एवर इट इज प्लीज टेक इट इनसायड आनी तेंकां आमी सांगला पासून पळय आमी आमी करूंक सोदिना येवन मोडपाक बिडपाक वी आर गिवींग यू ऑल टायम सो यू ऑल गेट इट डन वॉट एवर इज इन.
ओके
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.
Ready to ride small and save big? Counter Honda brings you an exclusive limited period offer on India's favorite scooter, the Honda Activa. For a short time only, get a special discount of up to ₹3,000 on your brand new Activa. Whether it's the trusted, stylish and most reliable Honda Activa, there's never been a better time to make it yours. Smooth performance, legendary mileage, unmatched reliability, and now huge savings too. But hurry, this offer is only valid till 31st of May at Counter Honda showroom. Walk in today, test ride your new Activa and grab your ₹3,000 discount before it's gone. Counter Honda. Your ride begins here.